Hey Algebra 1, Mr. Shafter here to talk to you about linear inequalities. So first of all, a linear inequality looks just like a linear equation, but instead of having an equal sign, it has an inequality symbol, like a greater than or equal to, one of those, okay? Its graph is a region of the coordinate plane bounded by a line, alright? So these are going to look a little different. We're going to have a normal line just like this, but linear inequalities, we will also have some shading. You will either shade above the line or you will shade below the line, and we'll talk about that in the next video. The boundary line is the line that divides the coordinate plane into two regions. So this right here is known as your boundary line. Okay, this right here is known as your boundary line. We'll call it the BL, boundary line. Okay? The boundary line is a dashed line when the inequality symbol is strictly greater than or less than. Okay? That gives you the dashed line. And then if it's a greater than or equal to or a less than or equal to, it is now a solid line like shown in the picture. All right? So check out the next video to try an example.